Juvenile Court, what is a delinquent act? Have you ever wondered what a delinquent act really means in the context of juvenile court? Let's break it down together. A delinquent act is an offense committed by a minor, typically someone under 18 years old. If an adult committed the same act, it would be considered a crime. However, in juvenile court, we use the term delinquent act to highlight the focus on rehabilitation instead of punishment. There are two main categories of delinquent acts. The first includes acts that are crimes regardless of age. These can be serious offenses like theft, assault, or vandalism. If these acts are severe enough, the juvenile may even be tried as an adult in certain situations. The second category is known as status offenses. These are actions that are only considered offenses because of the minor's age. Examples include truancy, which is skipping school, violating curfew, or underage drinking. If an adult did these things, they would not be considered crimes. When a minor is accused of a delinquent act, the process is called a contest instead of a trial. This process usually happens without a jury present. Instead of handing down a sentence, the court issues a disposition. This is similar to a sentence but focuses more on rehabilitation options like probation, counseling, or placement in a juvenile facility. The juvenile court system is designed to be less formal and more protective than adult criminal courts. This means that proceedings and records related to delinquent acts are generally kept confidential. The goal is to address the behavior while considering the minor's development and potential for change. Key terms in this context include adjudication, which is when the judge finds that the juvenile committed a delinquent act. The adjudicatory hearing is where the judge decides if the juvenile is indeed delinquent. Following this, there is a disposition hearing, where the court determines the appropriate consequences or rehabilitation measures for the minor. Juveniles may be held temporarily in a detention center, which is a secure facility, before or after adjudication. Overall, a delinquent act in juvenile court is any illegal behavior committed by a minor that brings them under the court's jurisdiction. The system emphasizes rehabilitation and protection rather than punishment, aiming to guide young individuals toward a better path.